Here we have the three main service kits for a 5HP-19FLA transmission overhaul. The 5HP-19FLA is very similar to the common 5HP-19. The main difference, the main visual difference is the 5HP-19FLA has an added tail shaft at the end that houses a torsion differential. The ID plate still says 5HP-19, but the manufacturer, ZF, designates it as 5HP-19FLA, even though it's not stamped or put anywhere on the ID plate. FLA means that it goes on an all-wheel drive vehicle. This transmission came off an Audi A4 1.8T Quattro. So don't be confused by this. Basically, an added tail shaft with an output means it's a 5HP-19FLA, even though it's labeled as 5HP-19. Now that we know what we have, we can order the service kits. The main one is 1060-298-031. All the components come labeled. So for example, number 7, you're going to be using it on the clutch B drum. As you can see in the picture, it only has 2 seals, and the 2 seals are right here. So you're going to be opening these as you go. It also comes with the gaskets for the housings. So the components coming in bags makes this rebuild that much easier. This kit cost about $250, and we're going to be using it throughout the upcoming videos. The next 2 kits are the friction and steel discs. Part number for the frictions is 1060-298-022. And the part number for the steels is 1060-298-025. Each one costs about $225. So yeah, it can get pretty expensive real quick. There should be 7 pairs of frictions and steels. So here we have 3. On the other side, we have 4, 7. This one has 6, but they stacked F and G together, so that makes 7. If you get confused about these, you can look up here, and it tells you that clutch pack F uses 5 frictions, clutch pack G uses 4 friction discs. But to select the correct part number, you're also going to need the base transmission number. This is located above the 5HP-19 label in the same ID plate. So ours is 1060-04-0101. And if we look at our choices, this is the correct one. And as you already saw, each of these is labeled. So you're going to put this in clutch pack B, clutch pack E, clutch pack C. So you're going to open these as you go. This has been an introduction to the 5HP-19FLA rebuild. Check out the next videos in this series, and good luck on your project.